I've been upcycling and DIYing clothes here on YouTube for a few years now, but I've never shown you how I style those pieces. And currently I am on a mission to catalog a bunch of my outfits that I never struggle picking an outfit ever again. So I thought it would be nice and fun to show you some of my favorite outfits so far. Let me know which one is your favorite and how you would style it to help me come up with a few more ideas. We're gonna start strong with my absolute favorite outfit. This outfit, if I was a video game character, this is the outfit that I would come in because it makes me feel so confident. It makes me feel like the most me I can ever get, because it's the absolute perfection. So let me break it down. The trousers I made myself because my boyfriend requested them for a clown themed party that we went to, and then I obviously had to steal them because they were so comfortable. The drop down crotch is everything. It's so flowy, it's so airy, it is very natural, you don't have to wear anything underneath, and that is like peak for any kind of trousers. I didn't use a pattern. I kind of just cloned one of the trousers that we already had to make them. Everybody always comments on the pockets, and I am here to set the record straight and tell you that they are not facing the wrong way. I made them to look like this because we go out to parties in these pants, and I don't want my phone, my keys, whatever I have in these pockets falling out. So yes, I faced them the wrong way, but that is a lot more convenient, and that is what I wanted from these pockets. It has been a while since I made them, so they're definitely falling apart and bubbling, so I will need to make a new version of these pants, so let me know if you want a tutorial. Next up is this top that I thrifted from Vinted for about £1. I bought it for a rave that I was gonna go to, but it quickly became my wardrobe staple because it's like the perfect layering piece. It's giving that industrial streetwear kind of vibe. In the winter, I would wear it with like long sleeve shirts to give it a bit more structure. The Denim Vest is an upcycle that I did a very long time ago. It was one of my firsts. So I cut off the sleeves and the bottom of a jacket, and then to cinch it in, I put a bunch of eyelets to the side and laced it with a chain, and it looks stunning. I get so many compliments on it, so many questions. So I like to wear it as much as I can. For accessories, I like to keep it simple just because the outfit says enough. I've got the bracelet that I made myself and I have a tutorial for, of course. It is my favorite one. I like wearing cuff bracelets because they're a lot more comfortable and I don't really notice them on my body, which is a bonus. And then I've got this choker that I also made myself. And that is the complete outfit. Now that it's absolutely boiling outside, this is my current clubbing outfit and I am so excited to wear it out. This skirt has been made by yours truly a few years ago. I do have a tutorial for it, and it is my designated clubbing skirt because I made it when I didn't have much experience with sewing. So she's a tad bit too short, but you know, nothing safety shorts can't fix. I was so proud of myself when I made the skirt, you have no idea. I made the skirt with almost zero sewing knowledge and I aced it. I mean, there were a few hiccups along the way, but I had a vision in my head and I executed it perfectly. The crop top obviously matches the skirt because of the red plaid, and it is a very recent addition to my closet, a recent upcycle. I didn't get a chance to wear it out yet, but now that I styled it with the skirt, I'm about to take it outside because it cannot stay in my closet any longer. These garters right here were a hand-me-down from a very dear friend. These leg warmers again were one of my very first projects and I'm still very proud of how they turned out. I wear them quite often, so I'm surprised they're still fully intact and still holding on. The boots are from Vinted and they're pretty beat up, mostly because I wear them to clubbing and you know, people step on your feet all the time. I don't wear heels much, but I love a platform boot because they have all the stability, they give me the height, and they always look so good. Then I got a bracelet from a cherry shop, and the choker is from an artist market. If I can find the specific artist that made this, I will put their handle right here. I've been getting into wearing a lot more color, and this is very bright for me, but I can't say that I hate it. I love that I can wear this outfit and say confidently that every piece of this outfit is me, mostly because I put my work into upcycling or hand making each and every one of these pieces, and it is honestly the best feeling in the world. And here's the final result. This is one of these outfits that's basic and comfortable, but swimming with personality, and that is my absolute favorite kind of outfit. So let me break it down for you. These shorts were made from skinny jeans that were too short on me. They're made from this very thin, very stretchy denim, which is very comfortable, and over the years it became nice and soft. I decorated it with patches and safety pins, chains and studs, the classic. And then I've got a simple red tank top, which is great for layering. To give it a bit more personality, I have this fishnet top that I got from Vinted. This is a very fun layering piece because it has this little corset that I love. For a bit more contrast, I laced it with a black shoelace. It came with a red one, but I didn't like how it blended in. For accessories, I have my absolute favorite thing that I've ever made, and it is these gloves that I made from the same skinny jeans that I made the shorts from. These gloves are everything. I love them. I'm obsessed with them. I get compliments on them all the time, and they were so simple to make. I love functional fashion, so these are great because when I go hiking, I can hold on to things. And then I have a cuff bracelet, which was my hand sewing practice, and it turned out so well. I love her. And then I matched a choker to it, which is made from an old belt and some fabric scraps. And here is the beauty shot of the outfit. This outfit is something I would wear on a colder days, and it's a great example of a very basic outfit elevated with layers. I've had these skinny jeans for years and I did grow out of them, so I do wear them more as a layering piece because I love the details on the legs. I obviously grew up with skinny jeans, but now I mostly wear them with skirts. And my current favorite skirt to layer with is this one. It's another one of my upcycles, and it is a wrap skirt. I added all these patches and safety pins, and I made it into an asymmetrical piece. I love using safety pins for my chains because then I can play around with the placements. Just make sure to clamp down the safety pins so that you don't lose the chain or stab yourself. This top is from Vinted, and it's obviously a very basic piece. But when you have a skirt with so much personality, you want something a bit more basic. When I wear a skirt that's on a longer side, I like my crop tops to be extra short so that it gives a bit more balance. I wanted to keep it simple, so I'm just wearing this choker that I made out of a belt. And here is the final outfit. This is one of my more experimental looks, something I would wear on a date night or a little gallery, a museum, somewhere where I want to look a bit more artsy and professional. It has everything that an interesting outfit needs, which is structure, texture, and layers. So we start with a skirt, which I made myself. It is a 2-layer square skirt, and using pins, I like to give it a lot of fun little folds and layers. I mainly wear it in the winter because it's made of quite thick material and there is 2 layers, but it is a very fun, flowy evening skirt as well. On top I put a little belt skirt that I made myself. I made it out of a skirt that was too small on me, so I cut it in half and I put eyelets to the side so I can make a corset, and then I cut it into an asymmetrical shape that would hug my body really nicely, and I decorated it with more eyelets. I opted for a nice little basic tank top, and then my absolute favorite overshirt. I wear this over everything, especially in the summer. It gives a really nice texture and it makes me feel a bit more covered up. I buttoned the shirt in the back so that it still gives me that coverage that I really like. So the flowiness of the shirt is still there, the texture is still there, I feel comfortable, and you can still see my silhouette in the front. And then I wore my simplest choker that I own. And this is what it looks like all together. Thank you for watching. This was a lot more fun to film than I thought. Let me know if you enjoyed and if you'd like to see a few more of my outfits, because I do have quite a collection of upcycled outfits, and I want to do some thrift hauls as well. So I think a little come thrift with me and style my thrifted pieces would be a fun little video as well. I am obviously very excited for summer, and I want to revamp my closet and incorporate the pieces that I already own. So it'll be a nice and busy summer, and I hope that you join me. So like the video if you enjoy, leave some ideas and some love down in the comments, subscribe to see my future videos, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.